Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, why is it blue? At first glance, it feels like such a simple question. The sun is bright and golden, the space above us is black, so why does Earth's sky glow with this calming shade of blue instead of any other color? Most people assume it's just the reflection of the ocean. But wait, if that were true, then why would the sky look blue even in deserts, far away from the sea? Clearly, something else is going on. The real answer lies in the way sunlight interacts with the air. Sunlight might look white to our eyes, but in reality, it's made of many different colors, just like the rainbow. Each color of light has its own wavelength. Red and orange have longer wavelengths, while blue and violet have much shorter ones. Now here's the interesting part. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it collides with tiny particles and gas molecules. These are far smaller than the wavelength of light itself. And when light interacts with particles this tiny, something special happens. Short wavelengths, like blue and violet, scatter much more strongly than longer wavelengths like red or yellow. This process is called Rayleigh scattering. It's the hidden trick that makes our sky look colorful. But then you might ask, if violet scatters even more than blue, why isn't the sky violet instead? The answer lies in our eyes. Human eyes are more sensitive to blue than to violet, and most of the violet light is absorbed by the upper atmosphere before it reaches us. So, what we see is a sky painted mostly in shades of blue. But the story doesn't end there. Have you noticed how sunsets glow red and orange instead of blue? That's the same science, flipped on its head. When the sun is low on the horizon, its light has to travel through a much thicker layer of atmosphere. By the time it reaches your eyes, most of the blue light has already scattered away, leaving behind the fiery reds and oranges that color the evening sky. And here's something even more fascinating. If you were standing on Mars, the sky wouldn't look blue at all. It would look more reddish during the day and bluish near the sunset because the Martian atmosphere is filled with dust particles that scatter light differently. The color of the sky is not universal, it's a direct fingerprint of the atmosphere around a planet. Think about how magical that is. Every time you look up at Earth's blue sky, you're actually witnessing sunlight bouncing off invisible molecules, scattered millions of times before it finally reaches your eyes. It's a natural filter that paints the world above us. So, the next time someone tells you the sky is blue because it reflects the ocean, you'll know the deeper truth. It's not a reflection, it's physics. It's Rayleigh scattering. It's the way nature bends light to fill our world with color. The sky is blue not because it has to be, but because our atmosphere, our star, and our human vision come together in just the right way.